performer Ekapur Kaur of class 8D representing Ajay House is going to give us huge knowledge about bullying and its effects. Welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Kaur from 8th standard. Today I would like to share my thoughts on bullying. Have you ever get bullied? What is bullying? Is it just punching someone on the face or calling with your wrong names? No, it is a lot more than that. Bullying can be of any type. It can be physical, verbal, social, indirect or cyber. But bullying is bullying and we all must get rid from it. Physical bullying is any type of contact that uses to harm someone. It can be pulling, pushing, kicking, hitting, punching or many other ways can be also used. Whereas verbal bullying is name calling, calling someone with their wrong names or judging them on the basis of their caste, creed, religion, gender or the way they look is verbal bullying. It has highest 42% rate in schools and colleges. Nowadays, social bullying and cyberbullying is also very common. Social bullying refers to harm someone's social reputation or cause humiliation. Social bullying includes lying and spreading rumor, negative facial or physical gestures, whereas cyberbullying is a type of bullying in which one or more than one individuals use digital technologies to harm another person. One who gets bullied suffers a lot, like from depression, anxiety, stress, mental and physical trauma, low achievement in academic, and many more other sensitive diseases which are harmful for the student. Sometimes getting out of such condition is very difficult for the student, fearing that what their parents will think, what their society will think, they don't even share such sensitive topics and suffers every day. A bully can be punished and a bully can be punished by anti-bullying. Now what is anti-bullying? It refers to laws, organizations, movements, groups aimed at stopping bullying. Whereas there is no specific law for anti-bullying in India, that's why it can be tackled with some sections of IPC, Indian Penal Code. These sections of IPC are Section 339 Wrongful Restraint, Section 340 Wrongful Confinement, Section 506 Punishment for Criminal Intimidation and many more. Nowadays, society is changing and new ideas are emerging and we all should be open to discuss and share such sensitive topics. This is the right time to see the uproot of this problem. All should work upon and then we will get free from bullying. Thank you.
Such an informative speech by